Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by pairing the Xbox controller to your PC over Bluetooth or with a USB-C cable so Steam can see it. That physical connection is the foundation. Once paired, open Steam and switch to Desktop or Big Picture to access controller features. Next, make sure to enable Xbox configuration support in Steam's controller settings. This tells Steam to accept the controller and expose mapping tools. Doing this early prevents detection issues and lets you move straight to customizing inputs. Now you'll build the actual keyboard mapping inside Steam Input. Select the game, choose Manage Controller Configuration, and start editing the layout. Map each controller button or stick direction to a keyboard key or key combo for the functions you need. This is how a controller emulates keyboard input. While mapping, tweak stick dead zones and response curves so movement feels natural instead of jumpy. Once satisfied, save the profile with a clear name. That way, you can quickly load it next time without redoing mappings. Finish by launching the game through Steam so the controller profile loads automatically. This ensures keyboard emulation is active where it matters. Test every mapped action in-game and make small adjustments for comfort, then save again. If something goes wrong and Steam doesn't detect the controller, plug it in via USB-C, toggle Xbox configuration support off/on, and restart Steam or your PC. That usually resolves driver or handshake issues. If problems persist, try the Steam desktop overlay to reapply the profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.